Leaks meant double trouble every few days for a French pharmaceutical company. Expensive maintenance work on damaged shaft seals was only part of the problem. Treatment of resulting site waste had to be subcontracted to an external company at a high price. A fix was needed, and quickly. They called AESSEAL, who recommended replacing a competitor's braided packing with its own trapezoidal cross-section packing. This superior sealing, with optimized efficiency and a longer lifetime, immediately improved reliability through reduced friction and heat generation, evenly distributed pressure, and decreased rates of wear on the shaft and packing. As well as increasing production and reducing repair and maintenance costs, the company has been able to resume water treatment, eliminating the need for expensive subcontracting. Installed in October 2024, the AESSEAL reactor packing system is still operating effectively, increasing the mean time between failure from just a few days to more than 16 months, and so far saving the customer €320,000 and counting.
Call AESSEAL for technically excellent cost-saving solutions that won't let you down.